Struggling to get the correct spray finish? This video will show you the basic spray pattern required to get a top class finish. You need to be aware that there are a lot of other variables, but in this video we'll demonstrate how to spray with a gun to achieve a great finish every time. All spray painters have their own style, but this video will demonstrate the basic techniques you should use and some tips for spraying paint correctly. In this demonstration we're going to use a gravity fed spray gun, but the same techniques apply to other spraying methods like Airless or HVLP. So the first thing to do before spraying is to check that the fan pattern, pressure and viscosity of the paint are all correct. It's always best to start at zero pressure and to slowly increase at the same time as testing the fan. This ensures any lines or edges in the fan pattern are feathered out. You can do this by testing it out on a piece of scrap card or metal. Then, once the correct pressure has been set, the fan pattern looks consistent and the paint has been thinned correctly, you'll be ready to start spraying. The first thing you should do is keep the spray gun about 10 inches away from the surface you are spraying and spray in long straight strokes. The spray gun needs to be perpendicular at all times, however the natural tendency is to swing away with your hands, but you should always try and overcome this as it will result in an uneven finish with a thin covering at the edges. You also need to be aware of the speed the spray gun is travelling. For a rough guide, we recommend a pace of about 2 to 3 feet per second. Too slow and the paint will be applied too thickly and will be susceptible to runs and sags, but too fast and you'll struggle to achieve the recommended film thickness. To reduce your paint usage, if you release the trigger at the end of each pass, then it means that less paint misses a target, resulting in less overspray. Every time you get to the end of the product you are spraying and holding the trigger on, you're using more paint than you need to. This is the same if you're using an airless, air-assisted or any other spray application. Please make sure the spray gun is set up with the correct nozzles and tips as per the paint manufacturer's datasheet. If you need any more guidance, please get in touch and we're more than happy to help. Give us a like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.